traveling space is very hard. I think it's like putting in like explosives, driving in a mountain with explosives. It's in the unit it's like very hard to drive, right? And then I think that then you're gonna fall and then you're gonna die. Yep, just like this guy and then die. Die. Kill yourself. But what about rockets? It must move 40 kilometers per second to get out of Earth. So that's why rockets have more fuel than their payload. So this is bad, right? Because we need to get all the other heavy things, all these heavy things to go to space. Is there any other idea to get less fuel and more payload? Okay, let's skip this part. Okay. We are the world of cities. We make things impossible to possible by building methods. And transportation is the top one of all things that we need. Let's do the same to space. And then we're gonna get to Mars and other countries and other places as well. So how can we support this? Have you ever know about Earth elevators, space elevators? They're like flying things that discover. But this is a science fiction. So please, this is even not true. So let's get another idea. Let's see. We have this one very success. A cable and a weight, forming a tether. Why? Let's make a tether long like that. No, I think 1,000 kilometers is very good already. But let's just put it up and fly it. We call this the Skyhook. It's better if we spin it with a better weight and a cable too. Yeah, it's gonna make it better. Yes. That sounds like the battery in circuits that you already heard long ago from my electricity pack, but it's a little different. Now I'm talking in space. So now this is made out of silon and never breaks. That's why any fly explosion we're gonna not explode it. So if we're gonna protect debris and then don't want to protect debris and asteroids, then we're gonna use some fabric as protection. It's like the cable. And this is a success. But there's many rotations, so the ship can be easy to catch. Yep. But then it's a problem. If what happens is that if they're gonna go down, they're gonna get burned by the atmosphere, and then they're gonna get burned. So let's go and see. We're gonna get 80 to 150 kilometers and no lower than my goal. Please, that is because of that. So let's make some planes. Rocket planes actually. They have low cost, but this at high speed, but low cost, but high cost. Right? High things, high cost. So this is the reason. Because of this is gonna be Mach. This thing travels then at Mach 12, which is a little over the 4,000 meters per second. Yep, and it's hard to let the ships fly and waste the fuel of it. So that's why we don't want that. So instead, I'm going to get a solution. So if we try, we can get some sensors so that they can connect each other very or easily. And there's another problem too. If we get and give them many ships, then one time it could burn out. And if we do nothing, they're going to burn out. Like the picture I'm showing now. So, I have an idea. It's a battery for sources, but gives that the momentum and then makes planes slower for the momentum for other ships. It's like reusing energy. Reusing energy. Is it good though? Is it good to use this? And the momentum is like voltage. And now, if it's still losing the fuel while doing the boost, then we're gonna do low like this. Yeah, that's better. And this is even better if we get a set of tethers. And then it's very good. Yeah. And they're gonna launch Mars so fast. Just launch Mars and get it down very fast. It is just happening in a matter of seconds. So let me tell you what happened. We fly the ship and then get it slowed down to the bottom. It's not like, I'm not saying like destroying it, but say it's land softly. Yep. And let's do it in reverse. So then other ships could get to about 1,000 kilometers per hour. Yeah, and then you're gonna fly. And rocket can take to 9 months or even to 3 months and get to less than 84 or even 86 to 94% of the plane are gonna get destroyed. Just a little piece. Really cute, right? And if you want luxury, yep. What the? Error 502. Is it funny? It's just an error. But then, this is a good first class explorer. And then the plane flies as usual. And see the tiny thing see the trail and the thing over there? Yeah. That's the Skyhook. Mm-hmm. That we're talking. That I'm talking. And then what about make this experiment and then give Mars to the asteroid belt? Yep, it could be possible. And then you cut the asteroid and get some precious metals. We're gonna be very rich. Yeah, very good, right? And then we're gonna get some precious metals. As better than diamond. So, what about doing Mars 2 moons? Phobos and Deimos? Okay, so Phobos is 6,000 kilometers, about 6,000 kilometers away from Mars. And Deimos is 20,000 meters away from Mars. And Phobos is like, yeah, quadrillion. 10 quadrillion 700 billion kilograms. It's heavy enough that we don't need to carry. Yeah, very heavy. So, we could connect one to the Mars. Oh yeah, interesting fact. What if we're gonna put outside the Earth with the other planets like Jupiter and Saturn? When we do this, what happens if we do the same activity to get to the inner planets like Mercury and Mercury and Venus. That's very good. It's very precious, 100% precious, and this one could connect to everything with other planets using our technology. And that's the tethers. And tethers could be our future of life. And we're gonna get asteroid mining and much more space explorations. And space is good, but we need to explore more.